So here's Bloater AI app, your AI face sculpting coach. So Bloater helps you achieve linear, more defined face with AI part analysis and expert guided debloating exercises. Using cutting-edge facial scanning technology, the app detects signs of water retention, facial swelling, and bloating, showing you exactly why your face looks puffy. Over 100,000 people have already experienced a transformation with carefully crafted routines. Upload a photo of your face, answer a few questions, access your bloating analysis, discover personalized insights, scan food for bloating potential. So that's another debloating app, quite popular. There are a bunch of apps from this developer, and you can see, yeah, it's got like 9,000 ratings, but it also has like a food scan. And then you can just go from here and start the process. So that's how you get started.